The singer Tauren Wells recently spoke at our church, and he delivered one of the most profound lessons about Christianity I've ever heard. He used the example of a guitar. He brought out this guitar, and he said, the head of the guitar is like how Christ Jesus became the head of the church. And then the people are the body of the church. He said, for us to play music, we need to be connected to both the head and the body, not just one. For me, this hit really hard because I was always one of those people that believed, oh, you know what? I don't need the church because there's so many hypocrites there. All I need to do is just pray and have a connection with Jesus. And the truth is, when you need both to come together. And I finally realized that because of this message. Conversely, I meet so many people that go to church because it's the right thing to do, or it's the Christian or Catholic thing to do. Like, you just have to go to church. But yet, you don't really feel that God connection with them. And so my challenge is this. If you're doing one and not the other, start doing both. And if you're not doing either one, start with one.